holiday season is getting close and we have a special surprise for you. I'm going to show you how to make a pecan pie using our new product, the Brown BochaSweet Sugar Replacement. We're really proud of our new product, especially how pretty it looks. I love the packaging, it tastes so good. It's just like the real brown sugar. One thing I like about this recipe is that you will be able to taste not only our new product, the Brown BochaSweet, but also the powdered BochaSweet and the Granular BochaSweet. The Granular and the brown sugar will be used to make the pie, and the powdered BochaSweet will be used for whipped cream on top. You probably might be wondering, where can I find this amazing sugar replacement? You just gotta head out to Amazon or to BochaSweet.com and grab these 3 ingredients that we'll need and just follow me. Let's get started. This is without a doubt one of the most iconic and delicious desserts for the holiday season. I'm sure you're wondering already, what am I gonna do, getting things ready. So here it is. We have our suggestion for you. Follow us and go to our website. You'll find the recipe in our blog post. And don't forget to grab your BochaSweet there.